Hey guys, Aaron here from Aaron's Magic, and today I am doing another unboxing video. Now, as you saw in the previous unbox, I did my this stopped. Well, I thought it didn't work, but actually it does. It turns out I need an extra part with it. Luckily, my dad has a mixer, so I can plug this into it. And basically it needs something called phantom power, which is a little miniature box that you plug the microphone into, and then you plug the other cable that comes with the microphone into the laptop from that, because this needs the power then goes from here to there, which converts it to PC style. So this is the box I'm unboxing today. Right there, nothing in particular. And as yesterday, I have my two cameras, one up there, and one down here. So yeah, I will do that unboxing for you guys just now. So guys, this is the if I can find the scissors. Okay. I seem to have lost the scissors, guys. But use a pen, I guess. This is the stand, the Pro stand for, comes in two parts. So basically it's a double unboxing. Is that right there. Just there. This is basically pop shield. And this goes over the mic. You attach it to it, so that will be probably a separate video altogether right there. But I am unboxing the stand today, which is here. So let's get into it. So guys, here's the stand. It's a standard box, just there. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we get out of this box is our mount that we put on to whatever you want to clamp it to. So for me, it will be clamped onto the table like this. So that's there. Next thing we have is the microphone holder, but I'll be using the one that comes with it, the shock mount one, as you saw in the previous video. So put that to one side. Now we have the stand itself, nothing else in the box. So now we have the stand itself. So let's get into this. This comes with a pre-built cable in with it. Here we go. And pretty nice. It's all made out of metal, which you would expect. And it comes with the cables on this end and on this end, which I think is great. So yeah, that's pretty much that. It's all metal, for what I can see anyway. I can't see any plastic, and I'll show you how the bracket fits on. Here we go. So with the bracket, with the bracket, what we do is there's an end here. It's like that. Let me just fold it down a minute so it's not all in the way. Okay. So there's an end here, and as you can see, there's this little screw thing. Make sure it's screwed half out, and then what we do is we slide it on over the top just like that. So it just slides over the top. Screw it tight and then mount it somewhere for use. So I'll get back to you when I've set it up. So guys, I've now set it up. It is attached to the side here, and there it is. Be coming out helping me with unboxings. You can slightly spin it, and there's it extending all the way out. So it's a pretty tall thing. Goes the other way, goes that way. The end of it can move as well. Altogether, I'm impressed with it. It looks great, and I suppose it will do good as well. And yeah, basically that's about it for this part. I guess in the next video I'll have the mic set up with it, so stay tuned for that. Please like, please subscribe, and see you guys.